Assalamu alaikum students. So today we will discuss about exercise 20.2, that is change of a subject of a formula. So in previous video I told you about the formula, definition of the formula. Now today we will discuss how to change a subject of a formula. So first of all, understand this word subject of a formula. The subject of the formula is, it is the variable which is expressed in terms of other variables. Like suppose you want to find out the circumference of a circle. So C will be the subject formula because you want to find out the circumference of a circle. C is equals to 2 pi r. So this is the formula in which subject is what? C. Okay, subject is with C. Now just change, if you want to find out the radius of the circle in terms of circumference, so what you will do? C upon 2 pi will give you radius. So here R is the subject formula. So subject means in which quantity you want to measure, which quantity you are measure, so you will change the formula in that quantity form. Like for example, I have did here that I want to make us R as subject. So I just what in this actually what you have to do, you have to use your previous knowledge. That is how you will divide, how you will subtract, how you will do cross multiplication, how you will operate the operations, how you will do, how you will touch, how you will play, how you will deal with the operations. That's only the here you need. So like this was C is equals to 2 pi r. So what I have done, I take a 2 pi down of the C, means I take it this in denominator. So I got radius. So this is what the cross multiplication. So now let's start one question. This is the question number 1 of exercise 20.2. S is equals to ut plus half gt square. This is the second equation of motion and the free fall. Then make G the subject formula. You have to make here G as subject formula. So you want to take out this. So what you will do first, this is S is equals to ut plus half gt square. So you want this as a subject formula. So other thing just transfer on the other side. This is their other thing as ut you will transfer there, so it will be s minus ut. So see here you have changed this transposing method you have done here, and it is in positive. Then when it will go into the another side of the equality sign, then it become negative. It will be what? Half gt square. Still G is here in between. You want to remove all these things. So what you can see here, that 2 will be multiplication. 2 will go to the multiplication. So here 2 s minus ut. Take care that what students are doing when they are taking 2 there. So they are just writing 2s minus ut. No, it's not like that. S minus ut is already a one expression. You are multiplying 2 with the both the terms. So here it's better you write like this, 2s minus ut. So now here what left? gt square. So t square is attached with the g. Obviously it is in multiplication. So when it will you want transferred here, so it will go in the division. Okay, it's not like that. It will go in here subtraction because it is in multiplication. So it will go in division. Opposite of multiplication is division. Opposite of subtraction is the addition. You have to apply actually transposing method. So it will be 2s minus ut upon t square. So now here you got the formula in terms of G, and here G is your subject formula. You have to proceed.